Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to add a login password to your Windows account in just 30 seconds. Like and let's start. First, click on the Start menu and select the Settings icon. Inside Settings, click on Accounts. From the left-hand side, choose Sign In Options. Now look for Windows Hello PIN and click on it. If you don't have one set already, you'll see an option that says Add. Click on it. A window will open, just click Next. Now it will ask to verify email. Click on Send Code. A code will come to your email right here. Type in the password you want to use. Re-enter it to confirm. Then click OK, and that's it, your Windows is protected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.